Hello, this is Card Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing my own monster design. Like different types of monsters and stuff. I think I drew this. I think I drew this before, but I didn't record it. Of a monster design. I'm going to I'm going to show you guys after because I drew it in another book. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to draw it first, and I'm going to show you guys after. It's kind of like a design that was inspired by those Monsters Inc. movies, Pixar's Monsters Inc. There's a lot of monster designs, and when draw this today, and one, two, eight. Draw like that. I'm going to draw the legs. And draw the rest of the body right here. The legs to kind of different apart. Going to erase this. Going to correct myself. I do my corrections for my drawings, so don't turn out ugly. Going to draw the eyes. Draw the nose. Nose right here. Go draw the tail. Very alligator-like, aside from the horns on the top of the head. Go and draw these spikes, make him more like a monster. I'm gonna draw spikes on the tail. I'm gonna finish the eyes like this. Yep, and that's the monster design. I can draw a little design right here with the horns. Very, very monster-like. Kind of looks like a miniature dragon or kind of two. Like I said before, I did draw this character before, like in this book right here. See, so I changed it a little bit. Just drew the character in my other book. Because I was bored one day and I just come up with a monster design. Yep, and that's it. Well, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like my drawings. And that's it.